Meaning of eyewear.
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 Eyewear. Eyewear refers to any accessory worn over the eyes for vision correction or protection from sunlight, dust, or other harm. It includes spectacles, sunglasses, contact lenses, and other specialized eyepieces that serve different functions. Eyewear has become a fashion statement with various designs, colors, and shapes, catering to different individuals' needs and preferences. Some eyewear is designed for specific activities, such as sports, driving, and diving. With advances in technology, eyewear has also evolved, such as smart glasses and augmented reality glasses, providing users with additional features beyond traditional eyewear.